Road ragers believe they have the right to yell at others, even act aggressively in the middle of a busy street. But there's one thing they often forget. Not everyone will stay calm, and they don't always pick the right person to take their anger out on. The issue started with a lane intrusion, but instead of stopping and handling it safely, both sides began to argue. Rolling down windows, blocking the way, and shouting continuously only made the situation more tense.
Like I want him doing stuff on the vehicle.
You came into my lane. You came into my lane. Why is your window down?
I'm trying to put it up, and you won't put it up.
It's all on video.
No, we're getting out of the road! Stop! We're getting out of the road! We're getting out of the road! Relax! Let's get out the... Yeah, we are! Get out of the way! We won! Ah!
That must have required extraordinary self-control. At the same time, seeing the opponent cower on the ground because of his own wrongdoing was probably more satisfying than delivering the beating he had intended.
What the fuck?
Tony, how are you feeling?
This police officer lost his temper on the road in a completely unreasonable way.
What the fuck, man?
At the crosswalk, there were no stop signs and no pedestrians.
Oh my god.
There was nobody there.
Oh my god. Dave, really?
Relax. People are crossing, they're trying to get to the game.
I didn't see
The
people.
crosswalk is blocked off. I don't have officers out here yet. Just relax. Have you ever pulled out in front of somebody?
I understand.
Yes, you
It's a
have.
reaction also to hit the horn when somebody pulls out in front of you.
Just relax. Just relax. Okay? Thank you. You're welcome.
You have a good day now.
Oh my god. What a dick.
This intersection is crazy. People never bother with the stop signs and just speed straight through. The driver ahead was probably a bit lost, and these people don't wait for anyone.
This nigga said for sure. Damn. Oh, yeah, nigga. Damn, that's a big ass thing.
Whose keys are these? I'm taking them.
Damn, whose keys are these?
Hey, you dropped some keys?
Did you drop your keys?
On the set. You dropped some keys?
She got your keys.
Hey, get my fucking keys before I break your window. You got 20 seconds to come.
She gon' hit you, yeah? Right.
Nah, nigga, you're fucked up doing that shit too.
You run me over, there's too many cameras. Don't give a fuck. You'll go to jail, bitch. You'll go to jail for running me over, bitch. You'll go to jail. Give me my motherfucking keys, bitch. Hey, give me that shit on my truck, sir. Give me that shit on my truck. Give me somebody in my truck. Nigga, get the crowbar, nigga. Sir, hurry your ass up. Give my keys.
Hey, just slide him your keys. Just give Cudgy your keys.
Give him the keys. Oh, she playing.
And they're gonna break your window. Hey. Hey, just slide him your keys. Hey. Just slide him your keys. He finna break your window. Hey. 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 It's not worth it. Hey. Just slide him the keys. Damn. Wow. Wow. Damn.
Oh, I'm gonna get the labor, right? Alright. Come on, hurry up. Alright. Hey, watch out for my truck. Alright.
Watch out, be good.
Hey, move, girl. Move. Girl, move. Girl, move. Girl.
Oh God, stupid bitch.
It's always the same familiar types who resort to cheap, sneak attacks, knocking her down while she was talking to someone else. What a shame. The police arrived just in time.
We got it.
That guy was arrested after being pushed back onto the sidewalk, and he still tried to jaywalk again just as the police got into their vehicle. This is a clear reminder that road rage is never worth it, and keeping your distance, staying calm, and having camera evidence can save you from disaster.
What the fucking hell was that? What the fucking hell was that? You're on camera. You're on camera. You're on camera.
Look at how angry that man is and how calm the motorcyclists remain. Sometimes, giving way isn't losing. It's protecting yourself and others.
Don't be fucking with people like that. He was trying to kill you, man.
That nigga couldn't catch me.
Hey,
He was near the
I got his
finish line.
plate and shit on camera. I'm about to send it to his company. Yeah, dude, that was risky.
Bro, he was like running you off the road and you were like full lean passing it, dude.
People think that prices are going to go down, so they're holding pattern, waiting to see what's going to happen. So for those reasons, the market is
Yo! Yo! Move! Move! Let's go! Let's go!
This guy is in a rush, yet still finds time to cause a traffic jam out of his anger. Don't try to resolve conflicts on the road. It seems this guy thinks he's getting a lot of attention.
4 pesos aquí. ¿Por qué me está mirando? Solo, Qué pedo, man. ¿Qué onda? What happened?
I like how the silence annoys him more than anything they could say. Just let him sit there and feel more and more foolish.
Bitch, I got a phone too. White people ain't the only one got a phone. White people ain't the only one got a phone. And I see you got a ring on your finger and you look like a dyke. What? 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 Crazy bitch. Stop smoking the pipe. No,
His poor wife looks so ashamed.
Fuck you and your mom.
If he'd been driving for 50 years, he would know to pull over in a parking lot, not in the middle of a 5-lane road.
Stupid motherfucker! I've been driving tractor trailer for over 50 years! Damn, I'm stupid! You wouldn't let me merge over, right? No, I don't have to let you in that lane there! No, you were in that lane! No, I didn't. I was already upside of you!
I've been had my light.
I got my camera in the car to prove it!
I've been had my signal light on. I'm trying to get on the highway.
I don't care! You should have been in this lane!
I just need y'all to get out of the way. I'm trying to go. I don't need no police officer.
Thank you for watching until the end. If you find these situations thought-provoking, hit like to support the video. Share it to remind everyone to stay calm behind the wheel. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next videos.